we have a new concept car coming from Porsche, and we don't know too much about it, but our producer here will show you its headlight because that's all Porsche decided to show us. This is a new electric concept coming to the, what do you want to call this now? It was the Frankfurt Auto Show. Now it's called IAA, and it's taking place in Munich, Germany. So we'll just say IAA show coming up. But they were very at a lack of words for what to expect from this. They did mention when talking about this teaser image on Instagram saying that motorsport is always the toughest breeding ground for new engineering and technologies. So perhaps this could be some sort of technology from a motorsport program trickling down into an EV concept. Who knows? Because it's wide open, but there seems to be an early
friggin' headlight.
Yeah, but you know what? In terms of the headlight, it kind of has that, what do you want to call it? The runny egg look from like the 2000s Porsches that had the turn signal in the bottom. I don't know if they did that on purpose, but I kind of saw that there. Anyway, there seems to be like a rumored consensus that this might be an early concept for a 718 sports car, Boxster or Cayman, because Porsche's been pretty open about the fact that they want to see that car go electric. And it seems logical, but also I really don't think they would put this headlight on a new 718 unless that becomes like the new brand fascia kind of thing. I don't know. It just would feel a bit out of place, I think, if a new 718 down the line had like Taycan looking headlights. I don't know. That's just me. I don't know about you.
Yeah, I mean, they showed us part of a headlight. It's impossible to tell what this thing might be. So any speculation at this point is valid speculation. But yeah, I mean, I don't know how they would do an all-electric Boxster or Cayman, though. That gives me pause because those cars aren't that big. And in a sports car, you want them to be light, and batteries are heavy. And to get any decent range, you need a lot of them. So unless the car is going to have 50 miles of driving range, I don't know how you do an electric car like that.
Yeah, if you're watching, and if you notice, whenever there's, like a Rimac or something, if there's a super high performance electric vehicle, do you notice it always has like an absurd amount of horsepower? That's to partially offset the fact that they weigh like 5,000 pounds because of the batteries on board. So to Craig's point, if you want to do like a Boxster or a Cayman, I don't know, I don't know what you would do to cut weight back on that, unless, like you said, it's got like a 100-mile range, and then you have to worry about people who want to track those cars, autocross and stuff like that, if the battery can hold up to that sort of pounding, beating, whatever. And I'm sure the engineers would do tests for that because they're engineers. But very curious teaser for this concept, and we'll have to wait and see because we don't know. It could be an SUV, but they mentioned motorsport, and that would seem kind of strange to me.
Yeah. But we shouldn't have to wait too long since IAA is early next month, so a week or two away, and we should have all the answers.